Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make oven jerk barbecue chicken. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using for my oven jerk barbecue chicken. So these are the chicken I'm using. I'm using some leg and thigh. They're already clean. I just need to wash them. I'm going to season the chicken with my homemade jerk seasoning. I have a video on the channel how to make this homemade jerk seasoning. Here I'm going to season with some onion powder, garlic powder, my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. So ingredients for the barbecue glaze, I'm going to use some brown sugar, some ketchup, butter, some jerk seasoning, some barbecue sauce, and some pineapple juice. To wash the chicken, use some salt, some lime, always use room temperature water to wash your meat. Don't use hot water to wash the meat, okay? Now rinse one more time. Now I'm going to season the chicken. I'm going to take 2 pieces from it. This 2 piece not going to have no jerk seasoning because the jerk seasoning is very spicy. So this 2 piece, no jerk seasoning. 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, for the jerk marinade, 2 tablespoons also, because this is very spicy. As you could see, a lot of pepper. I put a lot of pepper in this one, okay? So now I'm going to massage the seasoning in the chicken, okay? Some of the seasoning going underneath the skin too, okay? So you just want it to look like this. As you can see, them seasoned to perfection. So now, after you season them like this, you want to make them rest for 2 hours so the seasoning could marinate inside of them. Or you could leave it overnight to marinate. It's more better, more flavorful. Okay, we're just going to make this rest for 2 hours before we put them inside the oven. For the 2 piece without the jerk season, teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon onion powder. Remember the jerk seasoning is spicy, so that's the reason why I do these separate, because I don't want them too spicy, okay? Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. Underneath the skin also. So this is it. Now I'm going to put them to marinate in this bowl. The piece of plastic on top. For the 2 without spice, I'm going to rest them on top here, so just going to plastic it. So now I'm going to put it to marinate in the fridge. Now it's 2 hours since I seasoned the chicken. Now I'm going to put them on this wire rack. So I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put them inside the oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm going to take them out, glaze them in the sauce, and put them back inside for 15 minutes. So meanwhile the chicken in the oven, I'm going to make the glaze. I'm going to start off with some butter, half stick of butter. So melt the butter. Now I'm going to add the jerk seasoning. Going to add the ketchup. Going to add the brown sugar. Add barbecue sauce. Stir until everything come together. Now I'm going to pour the pineapple juice. Just going to leave it now for it to come to a boil. So now the sauce boiling up. I'm going to turn it down and lower heat. Make it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to take the chicken out the oven, baste them with the sauce, and put them back inside for 5 minutes. Okay, it's 45 minutes since the chicken in the oven. We're going to take them out now and glaze them with the sauce and put them back inside for 15 minutes. Look at this. Now I'm just going to brush on the sauce on them. First, I flip them over. I'll do this side first. Oh, the mere smells so good. This one, just need to put light sauce for these. Put them back over. Same thing, sauce. Okay, these light sauce, cause the sauce it have a little spice into it. Okay. Back inside for 15 more minutes. Time to take the chicken out the oven. First, we're going to turn off the oven. Take a look. Yeah, man. Alright, I have to cut one of them. Look how nice this is. See how nice and juicy this is. Cooked to perfection. So, go for the leg first. Cooked to perfection. So good. It's sweet and it's spicy. If you don't want yours to be spicy, just cut out the spice. I'm telling you, you're going to love this recipe. Thank you so much to watch this video to the end. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.